In the final step of our Hello World program, I need to show you students how to turn in your work. I see my program here is done. Now your program is going to look different than this because you're actually going to have several more Hello World or other statements that print out some message to the monitor. But I'm going to turn mine in as it is. What you need to do, first of all, is obviously make sure you save everything in the program. Also make sure you build and debug it one last time in case you've changed anything. That's important because when you debug the program and build it, you actually create an executable file, which is one of the files I'll be looking at when I grade your work. And you have to make sure that the latest edited version, final copy of your program has been compiled into your executable file for grading. So do make sure you build and debug it one last time. Once all that is done, you can go ahead and close the solution in Visual C++. Then let's go over to our Windows Explorer and go into our Documents or My Documents area. Find the Visual Studio 2010 folder, go into it, find the Projects folder, and then go ahead and find the actual program you've been working in. Here's my Hello World program. What you need to do is zip this folder and all of its contents into a zip file in order to upload it and turn it in. So you simply, in Windows, go ahead and right click, say Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. When you choose that, quite quickly, Windows will create a new file that has the exact same name as the folder you just zipped. It didn't do anything to this folder, didn't delete it or remove it. It just simply copied the entire contents of it and made a new file with a compressed copy of all the contents. This is what you're going to turn in, is the zip file. You cannot turn in the folder, but you have to turn in the zip file. How do you do that? Well, let's go over to our Moodle program. I'm in the C++ class. I'm actually in the Hello World program, but this works for any of the assignments that you're turning in. I go ahead down to the very bottom of the assignment page, and I'll see an Upload Files button. Sometimes the button says Add Submission. In this case, it's Upload Files. Go ahead and click on it, and this window will open. It's asking you to upload a file. You'll click on the word Add, and this is where you need to browse to your computer to find that zip file we just created. To do that, you click on Upload a File here on the left side. Opens a browser interface. Click on the word Browse, which now opens something that looks like Windows Explorer on your computer. This now is where you need to go to the place that you're saving your work. Now that should be, again, in your Documents area. So I'm going there, finding Visual Studio 2010, go to my projects, and there's that hello world.zip. I say Open. It now is allowing me to upload it. I don't put anything in the Save As window. It's not necessary, so leave that blank and just click Upload this file. When you do that, you'll see the hello world.zip, and you have to click on Save Changes right here. And now, once you've done that, if you go back down to the bottom of the assignment page, if it successfully was uploaded, you'll come back to the assignment page. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll see that the submission has been made, gives you the name of the file, and it's been uploaded successfully. You are now done with the assignment. I will come in, open that zip file, and grade your work and give you any feedback as necessary. If you find that you uploaded the wrong thing, you can always come back in here and edit the files. You can even come in here and take this particular file and delete it if necessary. I want to cancel that because I don't need to delete it. Or add other files if you need to. But I don't need to do anything, so let's cancel out of that, and I'm done with uploading my files and turning in my work. Alright, so once you're done with your Hello World program, go ahead and upload it using these techniques. Thanks a lot. Can't wait to look at your work.